Okay, good evening students. Today we will discuss about chapter number 9, algebraic expression and identities. Okay, so our topic is multiplication of algebraic expressions. Okay, so we will see how to multiply algebraic expressions. Okay, as you know, only like terms can be added or subtracted. हम only like term को ही add और subtract कर सकते हैं. और like term कौन से होते हैं? In which powers and variables and their powers are same. Okay, only they can be added or subtracted. They are called like terms. If powers or variables are not equal, if variables and power, if variable is x and second variable is y, we cannot add them. Okay, they cannot be added or subtracted. And just like that, x square plus x cube, they cannot be added or subtracted. But in multiplication we can multiply. Okay, unlike like and unlike, both can be multiplied or both can be divided. Okay, unlike भी multiply हो सकते हैं और like भी multiply हो सकते हैं. Okay, so how we will multiply? First, multiplication of two monomials. We will discuss about the multiplication of two monomials. All you know, monomials, binomials and trinomials. Okay, having one term, algebraic expression having only one term is called monomial, having two term is called binomial, and having three term is called trinomial. So now let's see multiplication of two monomials. So very simple. Okay, first take an example. Okay, find the product means result after multiplication. Find the product of x and x by x. Okay, so simply x into x. In the multiplication, I am going to tell very important thing. When you are multiplying like variables, same variables, okay, in multiplication their power will be added. उनकी पावर क्या हो जाती है? ऐड हो जाती है. यहाँ पर देखो x हैविंग पावर 1, कोई पावर लिखी नहीं है तो इसका मतलब वहाँ पे पावर 1 है. अगर कभी कोई पावर नहीं लिखी थी वेरिएबल के ऊपर तो उसका मतलब वहाँ पे पावर क्या है? 1 है. x into x पावर 1 into x पावर 1, it will be x power 1 plus 1, x power 2. Okay, simply example number 2. Okay, if you are going to multiply x into x square, so you will get the solution x into x square. Directly I am doing x power 1 and x power 2. X power is 3. Okay, or example number 3 you can also take here x into y square. So simply x and y both are different variables. Their powers cannot be added now. Okay, so you will simply write x. You will skip the sign of multiplication. ये multiplication का sign दोनों से gap कर दो. अगर वहाँ पर unlike variables है x into y square, x y square is there. Okay. Now x into y square is x y square. You can also take example number 4. X square into z cube. So solution will be x square z cube. Okay, so what you understood today? We had discussed multiplication of monomial by a monomial. Okay, where you are multiplying two monomials which are same, having same variables. Okay, two variables, same variables, when we will multiply, their power will be added. But if variables are different, just like you saw in the case of x and y, okay, you will just skip the sign of multiplication, okay, between them. That's why I did x into y square, x y square, x square z cube, x square z cube. Okay, so in the next video we will discuss, okay, multiplication of a monomial by a binomial and multiplication of two binomials or trinomials. Okay, So I hope you understood how to multiply, and at the end I am going to write a note here for you. Okay, next chapter is loss of exponent. When we will discuss about, but I want to discuss some here. Note for remark. In multiplication, okay, powers of same variables will be added. Okay, and I had shown examples to you. Okay, it means a power m and a power m. This is a law of product of exponents. Base, this is called base. Here a is called base, m is called exponent of this base. Okay, so a power m into a power m is equal to a power m plus m. Okay, this is the basic law when the variables are same. There is a condition, variable must be same. If variables are not same, you cannot add the powers. Power of x cannot be added. Okay, you cannot add the power of x to the power of y. Okay, I hope you understood, and do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon at the end. All you know.